This is a cold startup on a 98 Ducati 916. You can see it's covered up. I leave it covered in my garage. I don't get it dusty. Spend less time cleaning it and more time riding it, I guess. To highlight some of the scratches and whatnots on it. Get back in here. You can see on the lower fairing, or I'm sorry, it would be the mid fairing, where it has been wet sanded. There's a couple of scrapes up on the edge, on the side, if you can see on the side of the fairing there. They've been touched up. It's hard to get a real close up of it. Okay. I'm kind of backed in the corner, so it's hard to. Tail section.